East Plantation and Commercial Private Limited uncompleted their estimated PMGSY project at Bokajan subdivision. Due to weak foresight on Difu town upgradation, Amlapati area inundated with flood right after a heavy rainfall on 4th August at Difu. Children of Sirvomu LP English School in trouble as the school deprives from basic facilities in classrooms. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time with Margaret Terangpi. Now the news in details. The project for the construction of thick bituminous black-topping road from DDS Road to Kurona Ingti village under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY at number 21 Borjan constituency under Bokajan subdivision was commenced on 6 March 2019. It was funded by Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India with an estimated cost of Rs 2,18,398 and with an additional maintenance cost of Rs 1,05,890. The contract for the completion of the project was assigned to Northeast Plantation and Commercial Private Limited with an estimated cost of Rs 2,18,398 and with an additional maintenance cost of Rs 1,05,890. The total length of the road mentioned in the project was 2.732 kilometers. But when our correspondent inspected the site, it was found that only 2 kilometers out of the total 2.732 kilometers length of the project was completed. The remaining 732 meters seems to be deserted by the contractor of the project.
Labangso laking ko dai si mane prai laking ko dai hinialo labangso tuar ka salami phane panongpon stame pini litum dak kethek long nang kahumri pen ke long la han lo labangso tuar kon ma dak ke jong pon abang mangela an ba ke jogli mavi adak 800 meter mate lapuson 700 meter hala 732 meter po bang ke avidet lo ladak kilometer hinian se latum kam claim chorlo lapen hala 732 bang avidet lo.
Likewise, under Bokajan Legislative Assembly, there are 7 other similar projects under PMGSY assigned to Northeast Plantation and Commercial Private Limited. It is a matter of great concern that if the contractor carry out the same mastery with all the projects assigned to them, undoubtedly lots of money could be saved from the estimated budget. But the question is, where is the money going?
Athema lang litum da ko anma ka cross nangi abang ke kilometer hinian se lang litum pulaben pen claim lo la pen lan se lang litum padoi der lo stami hala 732 meter abang ale tum claim thedar lo la si non nang litum aphan la bangso Karbi Anglong live channel hoi pen an te bhan paklang lo je la bangso October ko buson si la buson ki jum det ma la bang ke nang litum rada tum hasini litum pachini lo alang litum pele ka dok ave lang ponon lang sai ponon la buson ko son si apong la buson pa claim long ma.
The project was executed by Executive Engineer PWD Road Division Silonijan. The bill was withdrawn with clean chit despite the incompletion of the project. Hence, it is suspicious that Executive Engineer PWD Road Division Silonijan is also involved in this scam as the work was done under his supervision. Such activities are carrying out under the jurisdiction of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Therefore, the citizens are looking forward consciously over the steps and the action the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council would be doing to avoid such activity in the coming days. And if the concerned authority do not intervene into the matter as soon as possible, consequently, there is a high chance of performing more corruption within the district. Anantarangs Report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. On 4th August, around 3:45 p.m. early evening, heavy rainfall broke out at Difu town. Several parts of the town was affected by it. One of the most affected part was Amlapati region. Several houses were submerged under water due to improper drainage system at the town. Dipu is the headquarters of Karbi Anglong district. It is one of the most beautiful and one of the fastest growing towns in the state. Dipu town is equipped with its rich diversities of floras, traditions and cultures of the Karbi community that attracts the tourists and visitors from across the globe. But there is one problem which occurs rarely and frequently, and that's flood. Here is a visual. After witnessing the visual, you must be wondering where this incident had taken place. Somewhere at West Karbi Anglong, Denarong, or Dongmukak. Alas, it is a visual coming from Dipu town. The government of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had made tremendous efforts to uplift Dipu town and had also invested a lot of money for the beautification of the town. Proper road connectivity around Dipu town was one of the major boosts by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. But proper planning of the drainage system along with the road construction seems to be neglected. Therefore, it has resulted floods in certain sections of the town, although Dipu town is situated at high altitude. Here's the visual of showing the houses submerged underwater at Amlapati areas at Dipu. It was reported that Damodar Rongpi, resident of Dipu town, his house was also submerged under flood water. All his properties, car, scooty, and many important documents were submerged with it. His sick-bed father was also present at the house, but was rescued from the house with the collective efforts made by their neighbors. He was taken to higher ground and safety. Earlier, there were lots of watercourses at Dipu. Due to drastic developmental changes and civilization at the region, those river courses are now landfilled for construction-related purposes, ultimately blocking the free flow of the water. Moreover, due to the poor planning and immense negligence from the government in developing proper drainage system, the citizens of Dipu had become a victim of flood. If the concerned authority do not pay any heed to the current consequences and rectify it on time, then it is certain that more situations like this would turn up in coming days. Newstax Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Sir Vomu LP School is an English medium lower primary school located at Paklangso, number 2 under Sarupathar constituency. The school offers classes to LKG till class 5, comprising 53 number of students in total. The school was established in the year 1950, right after the constitution of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the then Karbi Anglong District Council. But due to least maintenance and least number of students, also the negligence from the concerned authority, the current condition of the school is ramshackle. When our correspondent visited the school, the local residents and teachers of the school shared their grievances and therefore seek all the basic necessities for the convenience of the children to be provided at the earliest. Due to unavailability of school building, the students from LKG to class 5 are compelled to sit together in 2 classrooms. Unfortunately, there was not even a single bench to put their bags and books. No desks, black and white boards, chair, table could be seen. The children had to sit on floor to gain their knowledge. There is no playground and moreover, no proper school boundary was present. Therefore, teachers and the local residents of the region appeals Dr. Tuliran Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and Richard Togby, EM Education, to kindly furnish all the essential materials for the upliftment of the school in general. Anantarangs Report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.